Қазақстаннан алып келген құрт пен балқаймақты шетелдік құрбыларыма жегізіп көремін, достар. Кеттік. Тарида.
Okay.
From Indonesia. Try please.
Okay.
It's balqаймақ. It's with camel milk. It's sweet dessert with tea.
Okay.
Okay.
It's good.
Thank you. Do you like it?
I like it.
But friends, this is salty. Salty, and it will be good to eat with cola or
Is it
with.
cheese?
It's like cheese, yeah, but very salty.
Yeah.
You must eat little bit. Okay. Second, Alia or you? Oh, I'm sorry. You eat Құрт? Like this. Do you like it? Oh, Құрt. Say Құрt. Құрt. Try. Yeah. It's Құрt.
You have this. Your ear.
Do you like it? You can eat it with tea or cola.
Yeah, like for
Salt.
Yeah.
Because salty.
yeah.
Tea. Do you know it? Құрт. No, балқаймақ. This one. Монғолдарды жейсің ба құртты? Монғолдарды істей ма? Әлі қазақ? Okay. It's балқаймақ. Say балқаймақ. It's balqаймақ. It's camel milk with camel
Like the
milk.
candy.
Yes, it's like candy. Do you like it?
Wait,
Okay.
Saudi Arabia.
Rasa yang putih tu yang
Saudi Arabia like this. This the name of Saudi Arabia, Agate.
Agate.
Yeah. Or what's the name? Muggle.
Muggle.
Yeah, this mixed with date. You know the date or the
dates.
Dates,
You
yeah.
know dates?
you know dates?
No dates. Maybe I know. I don't know.
Kurma.
Khurma.
In Malaysia say kurma.
You know
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
In
kurma.
Ramadan we say.
Yeah,
We eat.
yeah.
mixed
It
with
was.
this.
Wow, really?
It's so delicious.
Wow, thank you.
I want to try.
Yes. Try it, please. Try it.
Yeah, but not Saudi Arabia.
It's like candy.
Yeah, like
Yes.
candy. Delicious.
With tea, delicious. Yeah. Thank you.
Camel milk. What you call?
Camel milk.
This is cold milk.
What you call in Kazakh?
Balqаймақ. Balqаймақ. Yes.
Very tasty.
Tasty. Do you like it? Oh. Jennifer? Ask him, guys. Ask him. Tarida, please open her. Please. Yeah, thank you. It's tasty like candy.
This one or this one? You want two? Two of them? Two of it?
Do you like
Colombia, dulce de leche.
Oh, dulce de leche. You have like this? Really? Wow. Колумбияда да бар екен осындай тамақ.
Dulce de leche in Colombia.
This one too?
Wow. It's Құрt. It's not candy. It's
Oh, you want it too?
salt.
Okay. Want me to open it? You want to open it?
It's salty.
Ácido.
Кішкене тұзы. I like this one. Okay.
No, Tamida.
Okay. Так. Сіз екеуіңді жедіңіз бе? Жеңіз алып шаймен күшті болады. You can eat it with tea. Also, okay.